Welcome back to Mr. M's virtual classroom. This is Scratch 3.0 lesson number 3. If you have not followed lesson number 1 and lesson number 2, you can still follow lesson number 3 because we are going to create a new game. If you are ready, launch your browser and go to this address, okay, scratch.mit.edu. If you have created your own account, you can immediately log in, okay, and I'll wait for you. Before I proceed, I would like to share you the games that we are going to create. Okay, this game is called Virus Buster. Okay, what is it that we need to do? Okay, we are going to actually score as many points as we can by clicking on the virus as it appears and disappears. Okay, we have about 1 minute to play this game. Once the time is up, okay, the game will stop and you will see how much you scored. Okay, let us play the game. So, can you beat my score? Okay, so what we are going to do now is to click on create. Now we are going to rename. You can put it as Virus Buster. Okay, so our game will be named as Virus Buster. Before I start with the lesson, I would want to give you an overview of what you can expect from Scratch 3.0. Okay, there are certain things that I will need to highlight, okay, especially okay what you see on the left side of your screen. You can see a lot of colored circle over here. Okay, so these colored circles indicate okay what type of blocks that you can use. Right, for instance, motion, looks, sound, event, so on and so forth. Right, so whenever you click on this colored circle, it will show you okay additional blocks that you can use, all right, for your codes. On the right side of your screen, you will be putting in characters, objects, which we call sprite. So on the bottom part of the screen, okay, this is where you can go to Scratch library and choose your sprite. And on the right side of your screen, okay, this is where you can add on the background. Okay, so all your codes will be all right displayed over here, which is right in the middle of the screen. Okay, so if you're ready, let's go. The first thing that we will need to do is to get rid of Scratchy the cat, because we are going to choose 3 different type of sprite for this particular game. Okay, so how do you get rid of Scratch? What we can do is click on the rubbish bin. Okay, next choose a sprite. The first sprite that we are going to choose will be the bat. Once you click on the bat, it will be displayed on the screen like what you see now. We are going to choose an event. Okay, click on when green flag is click and hold and then drag inside. Okay, next we are going to use the control button over here and choose forever. Why forever? Because we want the bed to appear and disappear many times. Okay, it will be in a loop, meaning that okay, it will not happen once. Next, we want the bed to appear and disappear at a specific timing. So what we're gonna do is, since we are still at the control button over here, choose wait 1 second, which is right at the top of your screen. Again, click, hold and drag. Next, we're going to choose motion, which is the blue button, and we are going to choose go to X and Y. Okay, what does it mean? Because we are doing a 2D game, it will only have two axes, which is the X axis and the Y axis. Alright, so we are going to bring this and then just drop it under the wait 1 second. Okay, at this point of time, okay, if we were to click on the green flag, you can see that nothing happened, because alright, this coordinate okay is where the bed is now. Okay, so we will need to do a bit of changes over here. Okay, let us just click on the red button to stop the game. Okay, we are going to use the green button over here, which is the operator. Click on it and we are going to choose the pick random. Okay, click on it, hold and then drop it in here. Okay, the 1 second. Alright, what we are telling okay the computer is that alright, between 1 to 10 seconds okay, something will happen, but we are not going to use these default numbers, we are going to change it. Alright, so rather than 1, we put it as 0.5 to 1.5 second. Okay, so what it says here is that okay, within these two time okay, 0.5 to 1 second okay, it will pick randomly between these two numbers and it will start to appear and disappear. At the same time, it will be randomly okay appeared within this okay game area. Okay, again we are going to choose alright pick random. Okay, and we are going to put it alright between these numbers okay, the X and the Y. Okay, we are going to do this twice. Okay, the first one, click and hold and then position it okay to the first number, and then the second one, put it here. Okay, what are the numbers that we are going to choose? Okay, so between the X and the Y, alright, it will appear anywhere from this side to the other side over here. Okay, so what are the numbers that we are going to put in? Alright, you can copy this number. Okay, it's between 170 to minus 170. Okay, that is for X. Okay, but for Y, we are going to do the same thing, which is 170. Okay, and alright, minus 170. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on the green flag. Okay, as you can see, the bed will appear and disappear at a random position, and the timing between 0.5 to 1.5 second. Okay, let us just stop the game. Next, we want okay the bed to appear at the different sizes, so it can be small, it can be big, and also it will okay change its size randomly. Okay, click on look. Okay, choose set size by 100%. Okay, click this, hold and then just drop it below the go to X, Y. Again, we are going to choose the pick random under operator and then just drop it to the 100%. Okay, we're going to change the number, okay, which is 1 to 10% over here, to a new number. Okay, so we are going to say it was set size to a random between 50 to 90%. Okay, let us see what happened. Click on the green flag. Okay, as you can see, the bat now appears and disappears, and at the same time it will appear at different sizes. Okay, let us just click on the red button to stop the game. I'll stop the lesson here, and we will meet again at lesson number 4. Okay, so have a nice day. Alright, take care, bye bye.